It's the start of a morning. Beautiful low tide. Birds are fishing. Birds are hunting for food. Hey on fish. And then we're gonna head on back. Go have some fun and get on going. Just amazing of all that tire noise, and I'm like moved on over here. Oh, so much more peaceful. I was asked a question: how heavy is a Cannondale Adventure 2 and how fast can it go? I'm not going to go riding the speeds of over 25 miles per hour just to prove that it can go that. It will go if you basically pedal hard. Now, to lift the bike, it's a little awkward. Lifting to the bottom is going to shift the bike, but it's not that heavy. It weighs under 40 pounds. And yeah, I can exercise with my bike. It's made of aluminum. It's a lightweight bike. It's got weight, but it's not heavy. My Huffy's a lot heavier than this bike, and it's a large bike. The medium bike may be a few ounces less, and a small, even lesser weight. But if you want the actual weight, we all know, I'll look at Cannondale Adventure 2 site and show you the actual weight. Mine's a tad heavier because I put a light on, a light in the back, and a luggage rack, and a different seat. And my handlebars are going to be changed. They're going to be a little shorter. And I also got a different stem, so my weight differs just a little. So I'm riding through the park at a little playground. I like the little center here of the flowers. Let's get on out and continue on. I'm heading on back. I got a lot of things to take care of. I got builds to do. Builds, that is. And I'm shooting with the DJI Osmo Action 4. Just that. Well, I said some, did some, share some, show some. Time to get on out.